Dear children, in the beginning of English grammar, it is very important to know what is sentence and how many types are there of sentences. Here we are going to discuss it. Before that, I will ask you some basic questions. Do you know how many alphabets are there in English grammar? Most of you will reply 26, but it is not a correct answer. The correct answer is 1. In any language, there is only one alphabet, and here also in English, there is one alphabet and 26 letters are there in alphabet. Now it is also important to know about the vowels and consonants. In English, we have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O and U, and rest 21 are consonants. As you know, the group of letters having some meaning is called a word. Similarly, when there is a group of words and that express some statement or having some meaning is called a sentence. Dear children, when we want to express our thoughts, we use group of words. So here now I am going to tell you about the definition of sentence. A group of words that makes complete sense is called a sentence. As you know, a sentence begins with a capital letter. Now let us discuss about the kinds of sentences. As you know that there are 4 main kinds of sentences. The first one is declarative or assertive sentence. Second one is interrogative sentence. Third is imperative sentence, and the fourth is exclamatory sentence. Now one by one I am going to describe the types of sentences. Let us start from the declarative or assertive sentence. A sentence which is used to state or declare something is called a declarative sentence. It ends with full stop. They are also called a statement. Let us see the example. India won the last test match against England. Another example is Virat Kohli was declared the man of the match. Now let us see the second type, that is interrogative sentence. A sentence which is used to ask questions is called interrogative sentence. It ends with a question mark. The examples of interrogative sentences are: do you know what artificial intelligence is? Another example of interrogative sentence is: where do you find polar bears? Now let us see the third type of sentence, that is imperative sentence. The definition of imperative sentence is a sentence which is used to express the order, make a request or a suggestion is called an imperative sentence. Examples of the imperative sentence is: first of all, we will see the example of order. Switch off the television. It is the order given to someone and said to switch off the television. Now let us see the another example of request. Please put these books on the shelf. Here in this example, it has been requested to someone to put the books on the shelf. Now let us see the suggestion. The example of suggestion is: let us play chess instead of carom. The fourth type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. So let us see the definition of exclamatory sentence. A sentence which is used to express a strong or sudden feeling or emotion is called exclamatory sentence. It ends with an exclamation mark. What an exciting trip that was! How tall your son has grown! These are the examples of exclamatory sentences.